In the marketing section of Shopify, you have access to various tools to enhance your marketing strategies. This includes creating marketing activities and automations directly within Shopify, and measuring key performance indicators and identifying top marketing channels. Marketing campaigns are structured sets of marketing activities that you can use to promote specific products or sales in your store. In the marketing section of your admin, click Create Campaign to create a campaign using the marketing channels that you've installed on your store. You can visit the Shopify App Store to find apps that integrate with Shopify marketing. Marketing automations help you to engage with customers across multiple channels automatically. By sending emails, SMS, and push notifications, you can enhance customer engagement and drive conversions effectively. You can set up automations using pre-built templates. These include back in stock, abandoned checkout, and welcome emails. You can also create custom automations tailored to your store's needs. After you run a marketing campaign or automation, you can view how effective they were in the marketing section of your Shopify admin. This includes information about online store sessions, orders, and total sales, as well as top marketing channels. To learn more about leveraging marketing and promotions for your Shopify store, including developing a marketing plan and improving SEO, check out the Shopify Help Center.